Hello guys, welcome to Molo's vlog. I am Luis.
And I'm Monica.
Today we're gonna take you to a very, very different path. This is the Hen of Mantra in Costa Rica. But if you wanna know how we got in this area right here, please check out this video. Hi guys, we are in Hacienda La Chimba here in Escazú, Santa Ana, Costa Rica. So we heard it's a very nice place to hike. So we're gonna check around. This is the place so far. So yeah, this is Tiara. And Tiara thought that was a real person.
Scary.
It's quite creepy. So the place looks really, really nice. It's actually, you can see the zip line right here. We have a lot of coffee. Yeah.
And we just got these cute pink ribbons. That's our day pass for the farm. And you can see here, this is some of the stuff you could do while
So we're ready to start the hike. This is the map. You have two options. You can have either the 5 kilometers or you can have the 9 kilometers. Yeah, we're gonna take the 5 kilometers. I'm not willing to walk right here. So we're gonna see a Buddha and then the 7 cups. Then we're gonna see the hen and let's go have fun. Yeah, even in the floor, in the concrete, they have everything in coffee shape. So this place, they produce 7 different kind of coffee here in Costa Rica. It's called Hacienda La Chimba. And yeah, you can see everything is surrounded by coffee plants and coffee beans. It looks really, really nice actually. Okay, so this is the entrance.
we are taking Route A. That's where we're starting from. And we're doing the Mantra Trail. It's going to be 5 kilometers. And let's see where this takes us.
Okay, it said that we have to continue here. It says don't go out of the trail. Don't hug the trees like this. Don't climb. And don't extend your hands to snakes. Why would you do that? Yeah. We've been walking for 10 minutes. And we're done. No, I'm joking. Just kidding. It's just warm and hot. One kilometer done. 4 to go. Kilometer number 2. Yeah, this one is a tough one. We're climbing, hiking all this way. You can even see the trail. And now we're just going up and up and up.
What is that?
This is the coffee. Coffee bean. See the red one?
Yeah.
You can eat it because it's very sweet.
So we're surrounded by coffee plants, coffee trees. What do you call them? Coffee beans?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a coffee plantation.
And after 1 hour, 3 kilometers of hiking, we made it to the Pura.
The sun is gone. Now it's quite foggy. I'm not joking, guys. You can hear how thick the wind is in this place.
It's getting very close. I don't know if you can see the fog, but you can clearly see it with your own eyes.
We are at the 3rd kilometer.
Right over here. Okay, we only have 2 more kilometers.
Yes.
So now we only have to go down. There's no more.
You can see from here. You can see from here. Yeah. And the rain arrived. So one thing that is crazy about Costa Rica is the weather. So we have over 121 ecosystems in such a small place. So basically you can be in a place that is raining and then you drive about 3 minutes away and it's sunny. That's how weird our weather is, which is lovely. You know, it's a tropical tropical weather, especially with the rainforest, but it's just only water. It's always nice to have some rain. Honestly, I'm not bothered about the rain, especially that it's not as cold as Alaska, so I'm not bothered at all. And finally we arrived. This is La Mano del Mantra, which means the hand of mantra. What a beautiful view. And we made it, guys. This is the hang. This is
the hand of mantra.
This is the main reason why we came hiking today. The weather didn't play a good part, however, it's still very nice. It's a breathtaking view. You can see the clouds over there. You can see over there how the fog, the clouds is moving around. The view is phenomenal from here.
We could have taken a shorter road, which was only 500 meters, but we did not know that, so we did the long way. We hiked almost 5 kilometers.
Yeah.
It was very tiring. The weather did not help.
Not only that, we took the wrong route, and that was my fault because my daughter Tiara told me, Tiara is right there. Tiara told me the other path was the right path, and I was like, me always stubborn. I said like, no, it's this way. So yeah, we ended up walking like an extra kilometer under the rain. But as you can see, guys, it's something magnificent here. It's so beautiful. Managed to get one avocado.
And it's not rotten, it's good.
Yeah.
Is this for me?
Yes.
I love avocado. And this is the places that you can find while in the farm. They have La Gelateria, which is the ice cream place. And on the other side, they have the restaurant. We're not going to eat here because we're going for Chinese. So we're just grabbing an ice cream.
Yeah, you
Oh,
know,
look at that.
turns out there is Monica's favorite flavor here.
Which one? Oh, turtle. Yeah, I love turtle. Yep, so we're just getting an ice cream.
A gelato.
A gelato, sorry.
Okay guys, it's time to put this back right here. Is the end of our hiking.
We're done with you for good.
It was a very good day, guys. Regardless of the rain, still raining, but it was a very good hike. We suffered a lot, especially me. Hiking under the rain was quite difficult.
It was very challenging, to tell you the truth, and I don't think I'll be ready for another hike like in years from now.
Yeah guys, so don't forget guys to like, subscribe this video, share it,